Welcome to Creating Passive Income, building an online course that sells. Are you ready to transform your expertise into a profitable online business? In this video, we will uncover the secrets to successfully creating and selling an online course that generates passive income. Get ready to take your skills to the next level and start earning money on autopilot. Hi there, I'm your host, and today, we will walk you through the exact steps necessary to create a highly valuable online course that will not only benefit others but also provide you with a stable and recurring source of income. So grab a pen and paper because we are about to dive right in. Have you ever dreamt of earning money while you sleep? Building an online course allows you to turn your knowledge and expertise into a valuable asset that can generate passive income. It's an incredible opportunity to share your passion while creating a sustainable source of revenue. But before we jump into the course creation process, let's clarify what passive income is. Passive income refers to the money you earn regularly with minimal effort or active involvement. By building an online course, you can establish a system that generates income without trading your time for money. Isn't that amazing? Step 1. Identify your expertise or valuable skill. What do you excel at? What knowledge or skill can you offer that others would be willing to pay for? It could be anything from graphic design to financial planning, fitness training to language learning. Find your niche and identify exactly what you can teach and share with others. Step 2. Validate your course idea. Now that you have identified your expertise, it's time to ensure there is a demand for your course topic. Conduct thorough market research to understand your target audience, their needs, and competitors in your niche. This will help you tailor your course content to meet specific demands and stand out from the competition. Step 3. Plan and structure your course content. Break down your course into modules, lessons, or chapters, organizing the content in a logical and coherent manner. Create engaging and informative video lessons, written materials, quizzes, assignments, and other resources to provide a comprehensive learning experience for your students. Step 4. Choose the right platform for hosting your online course. There are various online learning platforms available, such as Udemy, Teachable, and Thinkific. Research and compare different platforms to find the one that suits your needs and provides a user-friendly experience for both you and your students. Step 5. Market your course effectively. Once your course is ready to go, it's time to promote it to your target audience. Leverage social media platforms, email marketing, content marketing, and partnerships to reach potential students. Craft compelling sales pages, create enticing course previews, and utilize testimonials from satisfied students to build trust and drive sales. Congratulations! You've learned the essential steps to create a profitable online course that generates passive income. By sharing your knowledge and expertise, you're not only helping others but also building a sustainable income stream for yourself. Start creating your online course today and unlock the potential of passive income. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of building an online course that sells. Now that you have all the knowledge and strategies at your disposal, it's time to take action. Share your expertise with the world and start generating passive income by creating an online course. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to turning your skills into a sustainable business. Wishing you all the success in your journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the section below. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating passive income.